Hey guys, Brandon here with Southwestern Outdoor Adventure. We are at one of the most beautiful places in Texas, Enchanted Rock State Natural Area. We're going rock climbing and hiking. Come check it out with us.